Is it just me, or do college loans, high book prices, and dorm fees scare you and people you know, such as friends and family, away from going to college? If so, please do not worry. Hi, my name is Sami, a college student, and I'm here to inform you on how you can save plenty of money so that you will be able to live stress-free while in college and afterwards being debt-free and not financially burdened. First, you need to determine what school you would like to go to, if you want to live on or off campus, and how much tuition costs, and what funds do you currently have to pay for college. Afterwards, you need to understand your goal in analyzing where you're at fiscally at the starting point. Then you need to start making a plan to achieve it. Each person will be starting at a different fiscal point, so some tips may be less applicable than others. The first way you can save money in college will be through scholarships and grants. They each have their similarities and differences, but both can assist in the payment of tuition, room and board, and books. Grants are generally given based on a student's level of financial need. They are often given by the federal government, state governments, and even some colleges and universities offer grants as well. They are very important. Scholarships, on the other hand, are usually awarded based on merit, usually for a student's academic, athletic, or artistic abilities. These are usually provided by colleges and universities, private foundations, and many other foundations as well. Scholarships and grants can be extremely useful tools to save money in college by helping pay for tuition, room and board, and books to alleviate the stress that comes with going to college. The second way you can save money in college is through the military. The military offers a plethora of programs and education benefits for current service members and veterans to go to college successfully. The first benefit is using the American Council on Education's recommendation to claim academic credits for your experiences and training you received in the military. This will enable you to receive credits towards your degree plan and save plenty of money. The second benefit is the Tuition Assistance Program that enables each branch to pay up to $4,500 per year for your tuition expenses as an active duty service member. The third benefit is the post 9/11 GI Bill that allows you to pay for 4 years of your education and housing allowance granted that you serve in the military for at least 2 years. You can use this benefit in and out of the service. Joining the military and accessing the plethora of benefits is a great way to remain stress-free and debt-free throughout college, and similarly to scholarships and grants, you can not have to work during this time. The third way you can save money in college will be through budgeting and specific college tips to save money. Budgeting is the decision to set aside a particular amount of money for a specific purpose and not going over it. Budgeting is hyper important in college to not exceed your means and accumulate debt. Some items in your budget should be an allotment for food, housing, and personal shopping. Like I said, that should not be exceeded. One specific college tip that can help you save money in college is buying used textbooks. There are a variety of ways you can buy them, either from other students or websites, but is a valuable tool to save money in college. Another college tip that can help you save money in college is to cook your own food. This is important to save money that would be wasted eating out or going on an expensive meal plan. This does not mean you can't go out, but make sure it's only every once in a while. The final college tip is to split rent between roommates in order to reduce your costs greatly. The only warning to this is to choose your roommates wisely, as to not incur social problems. Although saving money for college may seem impossible, some, if not all three of these strategies, being scholarships, grants, the military, budgeting, and other tips, can help you save money and stay stress-free throughout college. In addition, I also use these pictures from royalty websites such as stock Getty Images, Google Creative Commons, as well as many other different pictures from Google Images with their URLs down below. Thank you very much, and here is